Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use Jamboard in Google Meet integration. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Google Meet app on your browser and log in your account. And on the home page, we are going to go to the top right corner and click right here. And then, on the drop-down menu, we're going to scroll down until we see this Chrome Web Store. Click on it. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, and from the search bar, we're going to search for Jamboard. And then, you see this, we're going to click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. We're going to wait for a few minutes, and then our download is now complete. We can now use Jamboard for Google Meet. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!